Can't stop my fingers as they type out. Are you up? I know that it's late, but I just wanna say, are you up? I just gotta know, yeah, if you're coming over. Body on my mind, it's working overtime. I know I said we'd only do this once, but you gave me that good thing, got a girl addicted, got me second guessing what I want, got me reaching for my phone, yeah, when the lights out, obsessing if I'm running through your window, cause you're doing cardio around me. Can't stop my fingers as they type out. Are you up? I know that it's late, but I just wanna say, are you up? I just gotta know, yeah, if you're coming over. Tell me, are you? Tell me, are you up? Tell me, are you? We don't have to make it complicated. I'm down to chill and see how this thing goes. Let's just keep it easy, talking with our bodies. I like the way that conversation goes. Got me reaching for my phone, yeah, when the lights on, obsessing if I'm running through your window, cause you're doing cardio around. Can't stop my fingers as they type out. Are you up? I know that it's late, but I just wanna say, are you up? I just gotta know, yeah, if you're coming over. Tell me, are you? Tell me, are you up? Tell me, are you? All I wanna know is. 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 Are you up? I know that it's late, but I just wanna say, are you up?
Guys, so here we have the big bad photographer right here in the building. Big up yourself, Adrian. Tell the people them.
Alright, so the Instagram is AKSphotography01. Make sure you go and check it. It's in somewhere around here.
I'll put everything in the description below, guys, so you guys can check it out and get all this information. The baddest thing in Jamaica, guys. Check him out, support him, big him up, and we large. Yeah, man. Say yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Alright, good to go. Go.
So guys, today behind the scene video has been sponsored by the big bad videographer Yannick. Is in the building and he's capturing all these fabulous things you guys seen behind the scenes. So Yannick, say something to me viewers them now.
You can tune in.
Them not hear you, Yannick. Talk to people of Yannick.
Today was a lot of fun. We got some really dope shots and some cool bits. There's some awesome sunset that you guys are going to see in the video later on. You can see some of my stuff on Instagram at YannickMB.
Yeah, guys, I'll put everything below also so you guys can check the description and check him out. He's bad. Well, I don't have to tell you, y'all will see the video, okay? I'll put the link and everything to my bikini line in the description below, guys. Go ahead and check it and support your girl. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah.